Hey you guys, this is Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. It's been a while since we've done a product review. I apologize about that. We're going to try to get back on board and start doing these weekly again. I want to start back with Pedal Commander as our product review for this week. Those of you that have the 3.8 liter JK, the 07 to 11s, know very well that they're very sluggish with just a little over 200 horsepower. The minute that you lift them, put larger tires on them, obviously it gets even worse. Even with regearing, they're still pretty sluggish. So Pedal Commander gives you two different mounting options. One is with some 3M and some Velcro. I found personally that one didn't quite work. In Arizona, it gets kind of hot here, obviously, and that 3M would let loose. They also have a bracket that you can attach to the trim. I went ahead and just did a small self-tapper. Mounts nice and sturdy in there, but at least gives you a couple different mounting options when you guys are installing. Pedal Commander is a throttle response controller. Super easy to install, you guys. You basically unplug the connector at your throttle pedal. You plug in the throttle pedal commander, and then you just run it up here through your dash. There's 4 different modes on these controllers. You've got Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. And within each one of those 4 modes, you've got some sensitivity modes that you can adjust 1 through 4 or down to -4 as well. Really makes a huge difference. This product here is not a tuner, doesn't give you any additional horsepower. It just gets rid of that lag on these Jeeps. Mine's lifted here with larger tires, and this thing woke it up, made a huge difference in driving it. Again, just the response from that throttle is huge. So again, very easy to install. This is the Bluetooth option that we have here for the JKs. You can sync your phone up to it. It's super easy. Basically, download the app. There's a code on the back of the Pedal Commander. You plug that code in, you hit connect, and now you can control it from your phone. Obviously don't recommend doing that while you're driving, but a cool little feature if you don't have a place to store it, or if you don't really want it to be in view. But again, a great upgrade, sweet product. We got them in stock here at Summit. We're located at 402 East Sheldon Street in Prescott, or you can pick them up on our website at summit4x4company.com. Thanks, you guys.